Nvidia replaces Tesla in South Korea. Nvidia replaced Tesla as South Korea's top foreign stock. Tesla stock was the top foreign stock pick for local South Koreans for 4 years after dethroning Amazon in July 2020. Now, Nvidia has taken Tesla's crown. Ironically, the US-based chip company may have Tesla CEO Elon Musk for its meteoric rise. On Thursday, May 30th, Korea Securities Depository KSD data showed that South Korean investors held $11.07 billion worth of Nvidia stocks combined. Nvidia stocks slightly outperformed investments in Tesla shares, with South Korean investors holding $10.67 billion worth of TSLA stocks combined. Musk-led xAI raises $6 billion in Series B funding. According to KSD data, however, Tesla still holds the top spot for net purchases, with South Korean investors placing buy orders worth $1.18 billion in TSLA versus $516 million in Nvidia in the last 5 months. Tesla has been the undisputed stock champion among South Korean investors over the last few years, but the slowdown in EV demand has affected its stock price. Meanwhile, Nvidia, as a chip company, is seeing some growth opportunities as the tech industry focuses on AI development. As of this writing, Nvidia Corp's stock price is at $1,148.25, up 20.28% in the past 5 days. The chip company's market cap is valued at $2.82 trillion. Nvidia Corp's shares surged earlier this week after Elon Musk announced that xAI would be taking on OpenAI. Musk's xAI raised $6 billion in a Series B funding round that will go toward the company's first product launches, building advanced infrastructure and research development for future technologies. Nvidia is expected to see some growth as xAI expands and launches products. Elon Musk previously stated that xAI would need 100,000 specialized semiconductors to train and run AI Grok. The Tesla CEO also told investors of a supercomputer called a gigafactory of compute that would need Nvidia's flagship H100 graphics processing units. Source: reposted and summarized from Maria Merano at teslarati.